our dear President, we cannot imagine going through the pandemic without your leadership. Malaki po yung pasasalamat namin mga doktor dahil po sa inyong pangunguna. Thank you for taking good care of us healthcare frontliners. Salamat po.